Hey, so I want to give you a quick overview of WPVibe and how it works. So we've got a fresh site here, and I'm going to paste in a sample prompt here and kind of show you the results. So when we paste this in, it will think for a little bit. It may ask us some questions. Again, context is key. So the more context you can give it, the better. But again, your first time, you can just give it a rough idea and then iterate from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this while it thinks and it creates it, and then I'll come back and show you the results in just a second. Okay, so we're back. So just to pick up where we left off here. So what happened is I described what I wanted, and then it came back and asked me a question, and I just said tropical. And then it thought for about 3 minutes, and it did several tool calls just to research the site, figure out how it wanted to create it, and then it created it. So we have it here, and as you can see, this is it. So now we can go in and tweak if we want. So right now I'm just going to say, hey, on the hero section, can you dim the background image a little bit more? It's kind of hard to read. And also make our buttons rounded. All right, so now it will go in and do all this for us. So while it does this, I'll kind of show you what else it can do. So again, we keep track of the checkpoints. So as you go through, you'll get checkpoints along the way, so you can revert back. And you can talk to it like I'm doing, or you can do fine-tune control. So if you hit Shift, then you can click on elements and go in and tweak them as needed. So as you can see here, it refreshed, our buttons are rounded, it's made it darker. So you can do all this kind of fun stuff. So we can also do stuff like, okay, this is great. Can you use the mockup and show us some different color scheme mockups? All right, so what it will do now is we have a canvas area where we can check out how to do mockups. It'll show us font combos, color combos. We can review those. We can approve those and then apply them to our design. Again, this is 100% WordPress. We can add pages. We can do whatever you can do in WordPress with WPVibe. So I'm going to pause it again, and I'll show you the mockup, and that'll be it. Okay, so we're back. So this is the mockup page here that's going to give us, so we can go in and now apply one of these. So I'm going to say, okay, I like option 4. Please go ahead and apply that. And then I'll pause again and show you what it does. All right, so now we're back here, and you can see it has applied that color schema. So super easy to use and fun to use. So let me know if you have any questions. Super excited to get people's feedback.